Mayor Watson, can you hear me?
I can now, yes.
Good afternoon. My name is Sujit Chaudhary. I'm counsel for the CCF. We just have a few minutes, and I know it's been a long day for you, so I have a number of quick factual questions I hope you can answer.
Sure.
So did you ever request Prime Minister Trudeau to invoke the Emergencies Act?
No, I didn't.
Did you ever request Minister Mendocino to invoke the Emergencies Act?
No.
Did you request Minister Blair to invoke the Emergencies Act?
No, I can save you. I didn't ask anyone to invoke the Emergencies Act because at the time I did not know what was contained in the Emergencies Act.
At the time, were you familiar with what was contained in Ontario's Emergency Management and Civil Protection Act?
I was given a copy of it and I read it, but I can't recall the specifics of it at this point, but I was certainly shown it, and was a copy of the documentation was sent to my office from the provincial government.
Did you ever discuss the act? Pardon me, sir.
Yeah, no, with the Premier?
Yeah, or with the Solicitor General?
No.
So you never requested that the Premier declare an emergency under that act?
No, my preoccupation with the Premier was getting resources, namely police resources and compensation for businesses and individuals that were affected negatively as a result of the occupation. Those were the two areas that I spent most of my time with the Premier, and to his credit, he delivered, along with the Prime Minister, funding for compensation for the small businesses in those zones that were adversely affected.
So Mayor Watson, are you aware that under that law, once the Premier declares an emergency, the Premier can issue an order to regulate or prohibit travel or movement to, from, or within any specified area?
Well, I'm at a disadvantage because I don't have a copy of it, but if you're telling me that's in the Act, I have no reason to not believe you.
Or that the Premier can issue an order to evacuate individuals or remove personal property from any specified area?
Again, I'm going to take you at your word that that is the case, but I don't have a copy of the Act or the proclamation in front of me, but I did read it when it did come in several months ago.
Okay, good. Mayor Watson, those conclude my questions. Commissioner, thank you very much.
Thank you.